happened? Huh? What happened? What happened? Oh, are you finished? Are you finished? Huh? Oh. What's that? That's Daniel in the lion's den. What happened to Daniel? Hmm? Oh. Oh, he was thrown in the lion's den? Oh. What did Daniel do? Was he praying? Huh? Yeah. He was praying. Did the lion eat Daniel? Huh? What do you think? What's there? What happened?
What you reading, baby?
He zoned out for a bit. Oh. You like your book? You like it? Oh. Oh. What's your favorite? What's your favorite story? Which one? Hmm? You're tired? Wanna sleep? Wanna sleep? Nate? Baby? Okay? Okay. O, sabi mo na, the end. The end? Bye-bye. 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 Bye-bye, bebe. Hey. Hey. Close na? Close? Yay! Finish!